What's up guys, CJ here and welcome back to another all-new Hybrid Network News Flash. If you thought the Disney and Comcast bidding war for Fox's assets was over, guess again. According to analysts, Comcast will likely try to launch yet another bid for 21st Century Fox before the shareholders vote later this month. Back in December, Disney made an initial offer to buy the majority of Fox's assets for $52 billion. Months later, Comcast waded in and topped that with a $65 billion all-cash bid, only for Disney to strike back a week later and offer $71 billion in a split between cash and stock options. Now, in a new report from Business Insider, analysts are predicting that Comcast might offer as much as $80 billion for Fox's assets. Whatever Comcast decides to do, it has 3 weeks to the day to make another offer. The Fox shareholders meet to vote on which offer to accept on July 27th, and reports still indicate that Fox's board favors the Disney deal, but an even higher offer might prove too much for the shareholders to resist. Let me know what you make of this in the comment section down below, and when you think this bidding war is finally gonna end. But that's gonna do it for me here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like if you like what you saw, subscribe for more great content every single day, and consider turning on your notifications to be alerted every time we upload a new video. Signing off, this is CJ, and I'll see you next time.